means today we're starting a new unit. Adding and subtracting integers is our first lesson today. So subtraction can be changed to add the opposite. Okay, so subtracting is the same as adding the opposite. So 6 minus 10 is the same as 6 plus a negative 10. So all you're doing is putting a plus sign between the number and the minus sign. And the reason we like to change it to adding is some people get this one confused. Negative 3 minus another 4. And again, I'm going to put a plus sign right here. That's the same as negative 3 plus a negative 4. You may remember this trick. 2 negatives in a row make a... You don't remember this trick.
No.
2 negatives in a row minus a negative is a plus. So here I have a negative 1, and then I have 2 negatives in a row again.
So negative 1 plus 1.
Plus 1. Again, anytime you see a negative sign, I can put a little plus sign right in between the number and the minus. So 0 plus a negative 7, and negative 8 plus
So I'm confused.
0. So we're not solving any of those yet. We're just writing subtraction as a addition problem.
But I'm confused. How does that, like, for number 5, how does, like, when you put the 5 there, does that minus just turn to negative? How does that work?
Where?
So how did, on it says
Right here,
0
minus.
minus 7.
Yep.
Then you put it down to 0, and then when that minus becomes a negative,
Yes.
you get negative 7.
Yep. Means the same thing. All right, so let's try one. It says rewrite as an addition problem. Okay, we can do that. 4 plus negative 6. So what is our answer?
2.
If I have 4
Negative.
plus
Negative.
a negative 6, so negative 2. I have more negatives than positives.
So it's going to end up as
Yes. Next one, rewrite as an addition problem. Fine. So plus sign goes between the number and the minus. Negative 2 plus negative 5.
negative 3.
Not negative 3.
Oh, it's, wait.
Caleb?
Wouldn't it just be 3?
You owe somebody $2. You borrow another $5. You now owe them.
$3.
You now owe them $7.
Oh, how?
You have more
Oh,
negatives.
it was adding. I didn't see that.
Number 9. 2 negatives in a row.
Plus,
So it's the same as 4 plus 1,
which is just 5.
which is just 5. Next one, I have a minus 3, and I got 2 negatives in a row,
It's just 0.
which is plus 3.
It's just 0.
It is just 0. How about number 11?
That's just 9.
What's that?
9.
Nope.
Negative 9.
This one's going to be negative 10.
And watch the negative signs. Having the negative incorrect would obviously make the entire thing wrong. It says if the problem is already addition, you don't have to rename it. So these are already adding. We don't have to change anything. We could just answer those right away. What is 5 plus a negative 2?
3. Negative 3. No, just 3, just 3.
Have to decide which one it is. You can't say both.
3.
The positive is bigger, so it is 3. Negative 3 plus 2.
Negative 1.
Yeah, it's negative 1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Negative 4 plus 6.
2.
Just 2. All right, back page. Determine if it is true or false. X times x equals 4. It says replace x with 1. So does 1 times 1 equal 4?
No.
No, so that would be false. Can you think of a number that would make it true? What times what is 4? And it's got to be the same number.
2.
2. Zero minus y is y. So it says let's replace y with 4. So 0 minus 4 is 4. Is that true or false?
No, false.
0 minus 4. You have $0, you spend 4. Do you have $4?
0.
No. Last one. Replace m with 7. Is 7 minus 0 7?
No.
Yeah. That'd be true. That would be true. Okay, go ahead and open your workbooks, page 57. First set of questions there, we'll just go over a couple of these. Solve the multiplication facts. The missing part has been replaced with variable. Write the answer above the variable. 4 times 7 is? You guys have multiplication charts to use as well?
28.
28. What times 6 is 30? 5. What times 4 is 20? Caleb, you need to have your mask on, please.
What page is it?
47. What times 4 is 20?
3. No, 5.
8 times what is 32?
38.
8 times what is 32?
Oh, 4.
7 times what is 35? What times 8 is 56?
7.
5 times 5?
25.
What times 9 is 18?
2.
Activity 2. Caleb, are you going to put that away and join us here? Look at the 3 statements in each problem and analyze the pattern. Circle the parts of each statement that stay the same. Put a box around the parts that change. Okay? So look at these 3. What do you notice that stays the same?
The 1.
The ones. Looks like these numbers change. So I'm taking everything times 1. So what does that look like? 1 times m equals 1 times anything is same is m. So that's my pattern. 1 times anything equals whatever that number is. Question 2. Looks like the zeros are staying the same. So what's my general pattern going to look like to that one?
M
M
plus 0
plus 0 equals m. So whatever number I put in, I add 0 to it, I get that same number. Looks like these are the same.
No, it's divide.
M divided by m equals what? 1. How about the last one?
Minus.
What's my general pattern?
M minus N minus equals 0.
That is correct. Very good. All right, complete the table.